You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes.
So last session we discussed about not projects, but I think what is a life cycle. Okay. Next one we discussed about org structure. As I mentioned, the organization structures are different. So over there we came up with this one, accounting terms. Okay. We discussed about what do you mean by company, right? It's not a group of company, it's a trading partner, right? Whenever there is an intercompany transaction, then definitely we use the term called trading partner. Okay. So next one, I'll just discuss. Okay. What do you mean by a company? Any organization you can see. Any module, we have its own accounting organization structure, right? I have mentioned here FI organization structure, already all discussed. So we will have a company code, profit center, segment, and business area, right? CO organization, we will have operating concern, control. So when we integrate this two, then operating concern will come first. Next one, controlling area. And after under that, it will work as a company code, right? So these two we are going to club here. Okay. So here when we say company, what people will say that group of companies, but it's not a group of company. So here we are going to discuss about our organization structure, company code, profit center, segment, business area, company, credit controlling area we are going to discuss. So what do you mean by company code? Last time we discussed it's a entity, legal entity, a representative, artificial person. It's an artificial person. All the accounting books will be maintained at company code level. In SAP, creation of company code is a mandatory thing. Creation of a company code is a mandatory thing. Clear? Next one. As I said, that same thing, legal entity, we can able to post the financial transaction at company code level. The books will be maintained at company code level. Company code is equal to legal entity. We discussed what do you mean by legal entity already. So in SAP, company code can be defined maximum up to 4-digit code. Maximum up to 4-digit code. Either numerical or alphanumerical or alpha. Anything. So you can give your company code maximum of 4-digit code. 1234 or ABCD or 123AB. 1 to AB. 4-digit code only we can give. Less than that, 1 to 4. Clear example I have given. So same thing. My business unit, oil sector. My business is oil sector. Okay. And my company is legally formed as an Reliance Industries Limited. Industries Limited. Okay. So I'm having profit center. Okay. One is profit center 1, profit center 2, retail sector, textiles, right? And I'm having communication. So Reliance retail sector, Reliance textiles, and Reliance communication. So each sector, I'm considering it as a one profit center. What is a profit center? We will discuss now. Okay. What do you mean by a company? Okay. What do you mean by a company? Company means it's not a group of companies. Normally people say that company means it's a group of companies. No, it's not a group of companies. Okay. Company is equal to a trading partner. Company equal to a trading partner. Clear? So when I'm having a different company codes, different trading partners, clear? Then the clubbing of all the trading partners. This is clear. You can call it as a company. Company can be called as a trading partner. What is the purpose of trading partner? In SAP, trading partner is to identify intercompany transaction. So what is the use of company? For consolidation purpose and to identify intercompany transactions. Clear? By using trading partner. So don't use the term called company. If someone is using company, then tell them it's not a company, it's a trading partner. We can extract, okay, the intercompany transaction while preparing group consolidation statement. Clear? We used a term called trading partner, right? Definition of a trading partner in SAP is an optional. We need to create a company code. Okay. Next one. What do you mean by a profit center, segment, and business area? Okay. What exactly? I am not saying what do you mean by profit center at this particular moment. Where we are going to use profit center. Okay. Profit center, by using either profit center or segment or a business area, we can get financial statement. We get a financial statement. One second. Okay. Okay. So by using a profit center or segment or a business area, we can get a financial statement. Okay. So what do you mean by a financial statement? Okay. So here profit, what do you mean by exactly profit center, business area? Profit center or a business area or a segment? I'll go with segment. Clear? So here, for example, I'm taking Bajaj Electronics. Bajaj Electronics. Okay. Bajaj Electronics. Right? They are dealing in electronic products. They are dealing in electronic products. Okay. For example, color TVs, washing machines, music systems. Okay. Now next one, ACs. These are the products. Okay. And this Bajaj Electronics is having different branches. Means area wise, they have branches. Okay. So here I'm having Hyderabad. Okay. Next one, Mumbai. Next one, Chennai or Bangalore. Okay. Next one, branch in Hyderabad again. In Hyderabad, we have a different regions. For example, Dilshuk Nagar, Kukatpalli, Chandanagar, like this. In Mumbai, from what we call Dadar. Okay. Next one we have in Bandra. Okay. Next one in Bangalore, we have in Garden City. We have in Electronic City. So like this, we are having in different places. Right. Now, this is my structure. Okay. So my company codes, I'm taking one company code. For example, BE1, Bajaj Electronics 1. This is my company code. Okay. Company code. And here it is my trading partner. This is my trading partner. Now here we can segregate our business. Okay. Segregate our business. Okay. According to product wise and as well as area wise. Okay. Segregating our business according to line of business. Okay. Line of business, nothing but product wise or line of area. Right. So here I can say that my business areas are in Hyderabad, Dilshuk Nagar business area, KP business area, Chandanagar, Dad business area. Okay, Dadar, whatever, Bandra. Okay, Garden City. Next one, Electronic City. These are my business areas, right? And what are my profit centers? My profit centers are Hyderabad Profit Center. So Hyderabad Profit Center. Next one, Mumbai Profit Center. And next one, Bangalore Profit Center, right? And I'm having a segment. Now I am selecting my segment as per the product. So my segments have color TVs, color TVs. Okay. Next one, washing machines. Next one, okay, music systems and air conditioners. So these are, so you can propose anything. So you will, when you gather the requirement from your customer, they will say that these are our structure. So we need to propose. This will be proposed by your, in real time, your project manager will propose. Okay. So according to that, we need to do the configuration, right? So trading part, nothing but your definition of a company, definition of a company. Next one, company code, definition of a company code, definition of company code. Okay. Next one, when I say that, next one, profit center structure, profit center, definition of profit structure, definition of profit center structure. Okay. Next one, definition of business area, definition of business area. Okay. Next one, definition of segment. If you have any credit controlling area and all the stuff, we can do that. Definition of segment, segmentation or segment. Okay. So we are going to do that. So if I want to generate a report, segment level, so this is called multi-dimensional reporting. What do you mean multi-dimensional reporting? I can generate a report as per profit center wise, as per business area wise, as per segment wise. Clear? So these all are assigned to company code. So company code, whatever company code, if I want whatever BE1 company code, clear? Want to generate a report, general report, which includes everything, then we can generate one report. If I want business area with the profit center, sorry, company code with profit center, one report. Company code with business area, one report. Company code with the segment report. Is the want to view one report with segment or combination. Business area with profit center and segment, business area with business area and segment, company code with the profit center and business area. Like that, we can generate multiple dimensional reports. So SAP has provided that feature. Clear? So that is the reason definition of org structure is very important. So whenever we visit a client place, so that is the reason whenever we get an implementation project, so understanding client requirement will itself will take 4 to 5 months time. 4 to 5 months time to understand the requirement of the client. Clear? In the same way, we have, this is about your profit center. So what is profit center? What do you mean by segment? What do you mean by business area? We will discuss in right now. Clear? What is the difference between cost center and profit center? In our next classes, we will see that. Okay. So same thing I mentioned. What do you mean by a profit center? Okay, I'll mention here. Profit center is nothing but a group. Okay. So what do you mean by profit center? Profit center is a group. It's a standard hierarchy will be there. As I said that profit center standard hierarchy. Clear? Here I said structure. Definitely nothing but hierarchy. Okay. So what profit center? Profit center includes, okay, your cost and revenues. Cost and as well as it addresses both cost and as well as revenue. Income and expense. When you call it as in finance, income and expenses. Clear? It represents profit center, represents the hierarchy structure. There will have some structure. We will discuss in later sessions. Or grouping of profit center to address the reporting requirement. at the profit center group level. So what is the profit center group level? I'm having Hyderabad. Okay. And for example, Guntur, I'm having. So here I'll call it as an one structure, profit center structure as a Telugu states. Okay. And here I'll call it as a, for example, North. Something. Okay. This is Karnataka. So I'm having in Karnataka one more in Ballari. I don't know whether it's come under Karnataka or not. Bangalore and Bellary. So if I want to generate a report, I'm having a two profit centers, one in Karnataka, two profit center in Karnataka, one is in Bangalore and Bellary. Right? If I want a consolidation at Karnataka level, then I will create one group, and under that I'll create two separate profit center. This is called profit center group, and these are called profit centers. These are called profit center groups. Profit center groups.
Naveen, one question.
Yes, sir.
Can we have a concept, so profit center is introduced in S4 HANA, right?
ECC also there, sir.
But that is in controlling
No, that
model.
is there in ECC 6 version onwards. From
Oh, okay.
2010 onwards, it is there.
Okay.
Normally,
So we have a concept called consolidated business area.
that's
So
what, sir. That's what. Actually, business area earlier, see again, he was people majority know. So what there is a classic GL accounting. Classic GL accounting. Okay, there are two types of SAP. New GL accounting. New GL accounting. So classic GL accounting was there up to 4.7 version ECC 4.7. Okay. And new GL accounting concept was introduced in ECC 5 version onwards. Clear? 5 version in the sense almost all. I have mentioned the versions also, I believe. So from 2012 onwards, this is new GL accounting. So the problem here in the sense why people will see normally training institute, they never go with the new GL accounting. They always go with the classic GL accounting. They never go with the new GL accounting in Amirpet, or now they are going. But again, I'm telling you, like till 2020 or 18, till 2018 training institutes, okay, they never used to go with the new GL concept. So here, as you said that our structure was same thing, company. They used to say creation of company, company code, right? Definition of company code. Next one, business area. They never touch this one, profit center, business area. Next one, consolidation business area. Consolidation business area. So they will give the steps like this. First one, definition of a company, company code, business area, assign company code to company, company code to company. Next one, assign business area, assign business area to consolidation business area. Next one, fiscal year variant, define fiscal year variant, define fiscal year variant. Next one, assign fiscal year variant to company code. Like this, they will give you 10 to 15 steps or 20 steps. And we
yeah.
will do the same practice. No, it was there from 2012, new GL accounting. So when new GL accounting 2012 they came up, so business area was outdated. Business area was outdated. So majority companies, new companies are, because it is earlier before 2012, before ECC 5. Okay, the control, this profit center was with the controlling module, but because of multi-dimensional reporting client required, so that's the reason some part of CO module has been moved to FI. So in that profit center introduction, profit center, some part of profit center has been moved from CO to FI, from CO to FI. Clear? So definitely whoever are doing this, so definitely they need to have a knowledge on this, right? So majority till 2015, majority projects, majority clients, they were not using business areas at all. Business areas, whatever projects I saw. But after that 2015, few organizations, they are using business area. Okay, they are using profit centers and they are using segments. But without a profit center, you won't find anything now. You will miss business areas, but you will find profit center and segments not now from 2015. From 2015. It's a mandatory to discuss about profit center standard hierarchy. It's not a new concept.
Naveen,
Yes, sir.
Naveen, is profit center meant for only determining the profit or in that way,
No,
area
no, that's
wise?
what we will record any branch or any center, both we will record in this. Both what we will discuss, we are going to see what are the transactions will be recorded. That could be your revenues or it could be your cost. That's what I said. We are going to discuss in depth on profit center part. So profit cost, what is the difference between a cost center and a profit center? Both are even CO module. Cost center will record only the cost overheads. Clear? But when it comes to a profit center, it will record both your revenue, your profit, and as well as your loss, expenses.
Yeah, Naveen, and one more thing, like
Mhm.
there are these three areas, these three, I mean, the business area, profit center, and segments. So we can put it in any way, like area wise, we can put it in profit center and
That's what I'm saying. See, as per the client requirement, we need to understand, and we can in our practice we can use anywhere. But always your profit center, your segment will be linked to profit center. Remember that. So normally how the structure would be, right? Here in latest one, cost not latest, cost center will be linked to your profit center. We are going to see in our next sessions. Cost center will be linked to your profit center, profit center, and profit center will be linked to your segment. Means whenever I post an entry, so in GL or whatever it is, so if I update cost center, right? If my entry is saying rent account debited, rent account debited to cash account, then it will ask amount GL account. This is my GL accounts. These are my GL accounts. Okay, these are my GL accounts. Okay, it will ask for amount. Okay, and next one, for example, 10,000, 10,000. Okay. Then next it will ask for tax codes. If you have any tax codes. Next one it will ask for your business area. Okay. And it will ask for your cost center. It will ask for profit center. It will ask for segment. Okay. So here in my structure, they have given a cost center. For example, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4 cost center, 1, 3, 4 cost center. Clear? And 1, 3, 4 cost center will be linked to one profit center. And profit, for example, they have linked the cost center, this one as a 7866. Okay. And segment is linked ABC. So here we are, if we want to give these two details also, so document splitting is a concept here. So if I give a cost center, okay, that is enough. And you are saving the document. Then when you generate a report, when we generate a report, then automatically you can see cost center, you will see profit center, and as well as you can see segment. Because internally we will do the configuration, profit center will be linked to cost center and segment will be linked to your profit center. So automatically when you generate, even though we have not given profit center, but automatically it will pick from your cost center. Clear?
yeah, and and that
Yes.
means we will only assign these profit center where it involve cost, not the like salaries or rent or
Sorry, I didn't
these
get
kind
you.
of. So suppose if you are purchasing something,
You will
and that
involve a
has that.
sort of, see, when you purchase something, so directly or indirectly, some cost will be included, right? You are purchasing, that itself is a cost, right?
Yeah, so only for those expenses, those transactions or those GLs, we will assign this profit center, right?
Yes,
So, and for business area, we will. My question is, there are three things, right? Here, business area, profit center, and segments.
right.
How do we determine profit center would be? I mean,
No,
how
that's what I'm
would
saying.
we?
See, the structure
Yeah,
just now I mentioned here. See, the structure is like your client requirement is this. Your client is having these areas. These are
okay,
profits. So you can have DSNR as a profit center, Hyderabad as a business area. It all up to you. As per your client requirement, we need to define that. We need to decide. Clear? You are going
yeah,
to propose. You are going to propose. Okay, I want to use whatever he has said that I am having in two Telugu states. Sorry, Telugu states I'm having Hyderabad in Guntur, North I'm having in Mumbai, Karnataka I'm having in Bangalore and Bellary. Right? So you can say you will explain their previous structure. You will check. Right? For example, they are using in Tally. Now you will check. You are going to propose your structure, SAP structure. Clear? And in that we are going to explain them what is the reporting profit center kind of thing, what we are going to get in business area, what we are going to get a segment. So definitely they will ask us, so this particular thing, DSNR, whatever I'm saying, that should be my profit center. So what kind of report I'm going to generate, we are going to show them. So they will propose, okay, this I want at this level, DSNR level and Kukatpalli level, Chandanagar, I want at profit center level, and that profit center need to be linked at segment. And my business area will be state wise. So they will propose, according to that we will design.
yeah. Their proposal, I understand, but logically, when we think profit center should go with the
Sir, again,
wherever
everything. See
where.
here, if I am doing some Hyderabad in the sense, not I'm just given an example. Here I said that profit center in the sense if I give a profit center DSNR. So here I am doing a sales here, right? In DSNR, what is my business here? I'm selling color TVs in my DSNR branch. Clear. So here it is, I'll get a generate and I'll purchase this color TVs, right? For that, I will include a cost. Cost is included and revenue is included. So either I can include to profit center or a business area because the
And
purpose is same. Both are giving
can
same result.
can cost center be mapped to business area also?
You can't. That's what this is an outdated. This is no. We can't. Cost center map should be mapped to profit center. That's it. Business area. That's the reason it's a ruled out actually.
Mm-mm.
It's a ruled out.
Okay.
Clear.
Yeah.
Business area is only an FI related. So earlier, so that's the reason. But it's ruled out long back. But few companies are still using. They are using it. That's it. Only independent reports you can generate at a business area level and consolidation business area level. But you can't get any cost center reporting or profit center reporting at business area level. That's the reason majority you can check in your organization when you generate a report whether they are using a profit center or a business area.
Okay.
Definitely,
Okay.
they will use profit centers only from 2012 onwards. Clear? Any other questions? Any other?
Naveen, clear to me.
Okay. So this structure we are going to discuss in depth again. What is profit center and all those stuff we will see in our future sessions. Okay. So here again, I'm just giving a hint here. Profit center standard hierarchy can be defined maximum up to 10-digit code. Okay. Maximum profit center hierarchy can be maximum of 10-digit code, either numerical, alphanumeric or alpha. Anything that could be. Clear? Same thing here. Profit center, as I said, that it is moved from CO module, right? So that is the reason it will be defined at a controlling area level. Clear? So if I want to define a profit center, okay, then the controlling area definition is a mandatory, right? So as I said that some part of the controlling area CO module has been moved from CO to FI. So in that some part of profit center has been moved from CO to FI. So to create a profit center, then definitely I need to define a controlling area in FI module. Clear? Next one. Highest profit center standard hierarchy node. Node is nothing but a step. Here we call it as a node in SAP, but in general we call it as a step, right? Highest profit center node, standard hierarchy node, defined and assigned to controlling area level. So the complete structure of profit center group, okay, a head group, whatever it is, that last will be always a profit center. Last node, last step will be a profit center. Clear? Same thing I've mentioned here. All the profit center can be created only under the lowest level. Last should be first profit center group one, under that one more group. So up to 7 steps, 7 structure we can create. So we will discuss at the time of profit center creation. Probably in 9 o'clock session, we are going to create in 2 to 3 sessions, within 2 to 3 sessions. Okay. So same thing I mentioned here, same profit center can be assigned to multiple company codes. Multiple company codes. Clear? So I just don't want to mention a lot here. So same thing here, I said that Gokuldas controlling area. This is my profit center. So my company is Gokuldas Limited. This is my company code. So they are into retail stores at each major cities. They are in all the major cities. They are having a retail store. Now business requirement that okay, need to see the financial statements at each state wise, and also required each individual retail store wise. Two things. So state wise they want a separate statement, and individual retail store wise they want a separate statement. So what I'm going to do here, first level, I'm going to create profit center standard hierarchy at controlling area level. Clear? Controlling area level. And next level, second level, controlling area would be my first level, right? Next one, state level. So second level is, next level is profit center standard hierarchy equal to state wise. We have decided state wise. One is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So 4 states we are having. And again in Telangana, this is my third level, nothing but my profit center. This is first level, first level, second level, third level. Okay. Third level, it is my profit center. Hyderabad profit center 1, Warangal profit center 2, right? Mahbub Nagar profit center 3, Vizag profit center 4, Vijayawada profit center 5. Okay. Vijayawada profit center 5, Tirupati profit center. Like this we are having. Karnataka again different. So we need to design accordingly what is the client requirement, right? They want a state-wise report and as well as a each city-wise report. So state-wise report we can consolidate here. City-wise we can generate here. Next one. So how we are going to propose? How we are going to propose? Now you can see that. So proposed solution, two solutions. So state level, we can create a segment. Retail store level, we can create a profit center. So two of things, as you asked just now. So how can we propose in the sense? We have a multiple options in SAP, right? State level, you can create a profit center group. Under that, you can create a profit center. This is the first option. Second option, what we can do? We can propose second solution. State level, we can give segments, right? And retail store level, we can create a profit center. For example, state level, I can create TS is one segment, AP is another segment, Karnataka is one segment, and Maharashtra is another segment. Next one, I can create retail store, nothing but city wise. I can create a profit center 1, profit center 2 of Warangal, Mahbub Nagar, profit center 3. Okay, Vizag profit center 4, Vijayawada profit center 5, Tirupati profit center 6, like that. Karnataka segment, Maharashtra segment 4. Like this we can propose. Is this clear?
I mean, if we want to, this is as per area wise. You
Sorry?
you said.
Sorry?
This is something which we determine profit as per area,
I didn't get.
area wise.
You can
Area
have
wise,
this
we will
also
get.
segment also, not an issue.
No, if we want to go with the product wise, like we have multiple products and also we have area. Both the things we
Then,
have.
well, then what you will, sorry, then you can take propose business area as a business area. Then definitely you can have product wise, in the sense you can have this one, what you call profit center and segment. Segment you can have a product and a profit center as in this one.
Area.
Clear? See, that's what, sir, in the above proposal, you can do that. See here, we don't have a segment here, right? So this is a group one, this is a group two, profit center. Now I want product wise. Product wise, I can propose segment and I can integrate to my profit center.
Yeah.
Got my point?
Maybe I'll understand when I go into
No,
SAP
I'll
and start
clarify
like.
here itself. When you are saying, if I take the first proposal, if I take the first proposed solution, I'll explain here itself. Why again next? See here. This is my proposal, first proposal. So it's not copied. Okay, this is my proposal one. So as you are saying, I'm having a color TVs, for example, retail area, whatever you can take, I'm having a different products, color TV, okay, air conditioners, for example. I'm dealing in a color TVs and air condition. So here my profit center state wise, retail store wise. Now what I'll do, I'll create here segment clear as a color TV segment and AC segment. So what I'm going to do, this segment, color TV, whatever it is, segment one, this is, I'll create it as a segment one and segment two. Okay. So if I'm having a different products, I can design like that. Okay. So here Hyderabad is handling color TVs and as well as the air conditioners. So then what I'll do, this profit center, I'm going to assign these two segments separately.
Yeah.
Profit center, I'll assign these two segments. Next one, Vizag is selling only ACs. Then for this profit center, I'm going to assign only this segment. Vijayawada only selling color TVs. Then for this profit center, I'm going to assign this segment.
Yeah.
So you can generate
Got it.
your state level report, you can generate retail store level report, and you can generate a product wise report. Clear?
So so then we don't need this business area anymore.
That's what.
Not required at all.
That's what.
Yeah.
If your customer insists, client insists, then we can have. That's the
Yeah.
reason
Got
7
it.
level of profit center it is giving. 7 levels we can create profit groups in profit center. But last one would be your profit center. Clear? So this is my, and next one, segment. So okay, by using either profit center or segment or business area, correct? So we can get the financial statement. So the purpose of business area, segment, profit center, it's the same. But here business area is having a lot of limitations. So it won't integrate directly with the CO module, right? We can't generate multi-dimensional reporting. So if I link a business area, I can't get the profit center and segment. So like that. So that's the reason by using the profit, either profit center or segment or a business area, we can get the financial statement and also books of accounts at the business unit level or business unit level, nothing but your area, strategic division level, part of location wise, branch wise, or retail store wise, nothing but your product wise. Okay, so I've mentioned the same thing to address the segment reporting purpose. So as per accounting standards, which is very important, as per accounting standards AS17, probably if you check Indian accounting standards, those products, again, this is very important to remember, those products or sectors or regions generating more than 10% of the total income, right? Your total company is generating 100 rupees. Out of that, if 10% is nothing but 10 rupees is generating, okay, anything, need to publish financial statement level. If Hyderabad is generating 10 rupees, then definitely as per accounting standards, we need to publish Hyderabad financial statement. If it is less than that, it's not required legally. Clear? So why this concept came into the picture, whatever it is. So definitely we need to mention as per accounting standard 17. Clear? The products or the areas or the sectors, clear, which are generating 10% of total income. Clear? Whatever total income you are having in that one area itself is generating 10%, right? Then definitely as per the legal requirement, we need to publish the financial statement of that particular product or particular sector or a particular area or particular region. Clear? Okay. So we can address the above requirement by using the segment functionality. Clear? To know the business unit or sector performance. Why it's required? Segment to know the business unit or sector, whatever sector user. Okay, next one, to maintain the the transaction, track the transactions and analyze the transaction and extracting the different level product wise or region wise or whatever it is. So same thing I have mentioned what we discussed here. Clear? So same thing, segment also can be defined up to 10-digit code. Like profit center, segment also can be defined 10-digit code, either numeric or alphanumeric code. So same thing as I said, that region wise, Telangana region or any other. Here you can take US region, APAC region, Europe region, Middle East. Or if I go with the segment area wise, product wise, or sector wise, hardware business, IT business, healthcare, like this. Clear? Any questions? Any questions here? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll stop here itself. Tomorrow we will see the CO module, and next I'll create our organization structure. Okay, and I'll give you tomorrow system introduction, the difference between ECC and S4HANA, a few topics, and next I'll start the configuration. Okay, everyone. Yes, no.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We will not be getting recording for these classes or how?
From
These
today
classes?
onwards, you are going to get it. As I said that last week, accounting sessions that you won't, it's not useful, right? So definitely whatever 1 hour session you had till now, from 12 to 12:50, that recording you are going to get this introduction part. That to tomorrow EOD you will get. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? Before I call?
No.
Okay then. Thanks. See you in tomorrow session at 9 o'clock.